Hi, this is Watch Up, and today I'll be doing a short unboxing of the Omega Speedmaster Automatic Chronograph, or oftenly known as the reduced model. This is one of the few watches that I bought from the secondary market. For more information about the watch, there's a full detailed write-up, and the link to that review can be found in the description below. I always wanted to get a Speedmaster in my collection. The original idea was to get it due to its romantic tie-in with the NASA moon landing. The Omega Speedmaster Automatic Chronograph 3510.50, or sometimes called the Reduced Speedmaster Moon Watch, looks very similar to the Speedmaster Professional. It uses the Omega 3220 as a base movement with a Dubois chronograph module mounted on top. The cape is polished and it is 39mm wide versus the 42mm for the professional version. Its height is about 11.7mm versus 14.4mm for professional. It comes with a dome has like crystal, which is made out of acrylic, and the case back is solid, but instead of a screw-on, it's a snap-on casing. Now, this watch has been called the busted brother of the more famous professional model. However, I tend to agree with a number of users that such an acquisition is uncalled for. Omega made this watch for a purpose, and this purpose is so that it is user-friendly with an automatic movement, and this is the need of quite a number of customers that actually wants it. So therefore, this is a different watch altogether, and I think, to be fair to Omega, I think they did a good job giving option to the consumers.